viruses. In this segment of the tutorial, we'll define what a virus is. We'll also discuss viruses and diseases. Virus overview. Virus, an organism whose genetic material may be either DNA or RNA surrounded by a protein coat. Viruses have to take over other cells in order to reproduce. They have no organelles or nucleus, infects all life forms from bacteria to mammals. Non-living, self-replicating biological units that must utilize a host cell to reproduce. Viruses are small intracellular particles, a fraction of the size of the typical bacterial cell. Viruses and disease. Viruses infect all life forms, bacteria, fungi, insects, birds, mammals, and humans. Hosts can be exchanged. That means they can jump from one host to another. For instance, some bird viruses can infect humans, so the virus could jump from the bird host to the human host. Viruses can cause serious diseases such as HIV/AIDS and milder diseases like the common cold. The mode of pathogenesis of a virus makes it difficult to cure. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. There are a few antiviral medications that can shorten the duration of infection of some viruses. Virus structure and classification. In this segment of the tutorial, we'll talk about virus structure and virus classification. Virus classification. There are 7 groups of viruses. These groups are based on the structure of the viral nucleic acid. The viral groups are listed here. The property and parameters of viral classification. Nucleic acid can be DNA, RNA, or both. The shape can be linear, circular, or segmented. Strandedness, single or double-stranded with regions of single-strandedness, and the sense. It can have a positive sense, negative sense, or ambisense, that is, plus and minus. Structure of virus. Virion is a viral particle. The genetic material is either DNA or RNA. Capsid, protective protein coat. The shape varies from helical and icosahedral to complex structures with tails or an envelope. Nucleocapsid is the capsid plus nucleic acid. The viral envelope covers the protein capsid. The envelope is derived from portions of the host cell membranes, phospholipids, and proteins, and may include some viral glycoproteins. ICTV naming of viruses. Virus classification is a combination of two systems: phenotypic characteristics, mode of replication, and host organisms, as well as type of disease they cause. Guidelines set out by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses on naming conventions and additional guidelines. ICTV classification uses a numerical code to represent the order, family, subfamily, genus, species, subspecies, serotype or subtype, and strain or isolate. This would be an example of the naming for the poliovirus 1 Brunhilde. Picornaviridae, enterovirus, poliovirus. Poliovirus 1. This would be the numerical number and the names. You can see it belongs to the family Picornaviridae and the genus, it's an enterovirus. Genome-based classification. In this classification system, the positive and negative signs indicate negative or positive sense nucleic acid. SS equals single-stranded and DS double-stranded. Poliovirus is a group 4 plus single-stranded RNA virus. It belongs to the family Picornaviridae, genus Enterovirus, type species poliovirus. Notice how these different groups, that is 1 through 7, all go toward the mRNA.